So future of email marketing is here, or is it? Yesterday Klaviyo made an announcement launching AI features. Those changes have been actively worked upon and gradually added in the account for last 5 to 6 months. Some are really game changer, some are simple wrappers on ChatGPT, and some are rebranding of old features. In this video, we will look at the AI features inside Klaviyo and how will they impact the future of email marketing. Let's get started. Before jumping into discussing Klaviyo AI, let's set the expectation. Currently in this world, we have a memory-less version of AI. It's good for 5-minute tasks, but can't execute the project from end to end. It doesn't have a memory. It can't store the history of the company and lot of other things. So the job of email marketing agencies like ours is still safe. You can't tell AI to pick an audience, create campaign and schedule it. We can call that AI on autopilot. Currently, I think it's like 6 months down the line. Now let's look at the AI in batches. Like in all other platforms, Klaviyo AI will help you in batches. Something here, something there. For small tasks, saving 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there. It's still relevant and a big leap for the whole ecosystem. Let's look at the 9 ways where Klaviyo AI can help you with your email marketing. Let's start with the segment creation. Number 1, segment creation. So segment creation has been always boring and complex. Also, to get the logic right. Second, you have to create lot of segments to really get to the really working segments or segment with a relevant audience or like a sizable audience for you to do any analysis or like to run any campaign on that. So currently what Klaviyo can help you is with the logic, and it's a very important thing because sometimes getting the logic right is the main challenge. So once you go inside the tool, you go in the create segment, and inside the tool what we have is like define with AI, and I found it really powerful. And over here if I name a segment like winback and I paste like segment with lapsed buyers and like who bought anything in last 180 days. So over here I specified 180 days. It was able to generate like a placed order greater than and placed order 0. Let's change the definition. In this, like what we have is old non-buyers. It's like segment of users registered a long time ago and haven't bought anything from the brand. If we ran this like a preview of this, so this also was able to generate like old buyers. So I haven't given a days, but it was able to pick a date, and it was able to pick like 365 days, and this was not given by us. So this was really good because this is where agency or like someone with experience comes into the picture. So brand might not know that long means like 365. They might take it like 90 days or like 45 days. Next is if we do like segment of users who were loyal, like RFM champions segment, and if I run this like a segment of users who are loyal customers and made a big purchase recently, so for those users also we were able to get really good performance, because but this was really tricky because first we need to define what's loyal, and second is like made a recent purchase, high ticket purchase recently. So this was the segment creation, and which was helpful with the logic, that's logic of the segment. Next is email block. So this was also really powerful, and we feel that this will help a lot of companies and brands to come up with their own layouts. So this is a sample template where we are just trying out this thing. So in this template, if I go over here, so there is a button like this. If I click and if I paste something like this, like create a banner with coupon code and blocks, it will give me an option. So this was a basic simple, like if you have a single sale, so it will give you a set of features, and it was really cool to get that like yeah, so it gives you this, but it also gives you like multiple options. So you can do next, press on next, press on this, and there are like 2-3 layouts over there. If I say that create a 2 column, so if I go more in detail and I give it a like a 2 column grid, and then I create a generate draft and something more detailed, then it's able to do a better job. So over here I mentioned like create a 2 column with the image and the product review. So it was, and like there was multiple layouts which could have been used, and it's really helpful. And second, one more, let's try one more. So create 3 email with this. So like a 3-step email. So what we have like a step 1, step 2, step 3 with multiple steps and their usage. So for this also, because this was little bit long block which we use sometimes for like informative campaigns, so for that also it was able to generate a quite a good, like a step on the left, like a single column, single row, and 3 column. It was this, and this was also like 3 rows. So you get like a 1 row also 3 column, or you can get like 3 rows with each step. Once this is sorted, then you just need to click on the insert, and then you can change a lot of stuff. So I felt this was really powerful because sometimes the templates are not usable, and templates user is not able to use those templates in their account. But if someone has this like that the layout comes based on their brand, and then they just need to change the images or change the text, then it's really useful. So next is subject line assistant. So subject line assistant is like a wrapper on ChatGPT. So this is a small win. You can do also this the same functionality is available in ChatGPT, and you can copy and paste. But like to give this functionality within the tool is also helpful, and it will save you 2 minutes. So like you can create subject lines, but most importantly, where I felt this was useful was more around it has a history. So there is an analyze option where it will have like the best performing subject line for 90 days. So which was really powerful because for ChatGPT you might need to import that data. So I tried running some experiments with this, but it was not able to use that historical data for the brand. So I ran this like a President's Day sale from this brand to another brand, but there was not much considerable difference. You can have this like a promotion, then a store-wide sale, and I was running like a for President's Day sale 20% off or something like that. You can put a brand name also, and this like a brand name and then description, and it will give you like celebrate with 20. But it was typically what we were getting in ChatGPT also, so nothing new. But still, I think with analyze, and once the models become more advanced, I think analyze and there will be a difference between from one brand to another brand. Next is like SMS campaign. So SMS campaign is also more or less like a wrapper on ChatGPT, but to give this information or like to give this functionality right where you need it is really helpful, and I think it's really saves and give you like a lot of time to experiment and to try out different things. So for this also, while you are creating a SMS campaign, you just need to click on this SMS assistant, and over here it will give you an option like this product name, like cotton shirt, like it's already given. So it will populate one SMS, and it will like but it will have the character limit and all those things already taken care of. So in ChatGPT you might have to define that and like inform, and also like the beneficial feature is like one SMS. So so I was not able to see the historical data in this, but I think this is really helpful. And once you have a basic structure that this is the link, this is the coupon, and this, so you can definitely use this and get like multiple options, or you can run multiple A/B tests around that and try out 2-3 ideas in this. Next is predictive analytics. So predictive analytics always been there. Now it's under the umbrella of Klaviyo AI, and in this I didn't see any additional information. We recently did a video like 3 months ago about the predictive analytics, so you can have a look over there, and there we have covered like a lot of options. But in this also you can get the expected customer lifetime value, next order date, like a churn probability, and all those information, and it's available in the like profile section. You can go over here and like this. So earlier this was already been there like for last 3 years, 4 years, but I think now they have like put up this like a diamond under that, so it's a part of a Klaviyo AI framework. Next is their dynamic recommendation. So dynamic recommendation is also been there, but inside dynamic recommendation to define what kind of recommendation or what logic you can use AI, and they have this thing where they will like try to figure out what kind of products customer will like and try to recommend that. So it says it was always there like in some bits and pieces. I think they might have improved the model on the back end. Let's use the test. What product we would like. So over here what we have is with diamond, so products the customer may also like, and in this it will be more based around like you can always use this for other options also like random and most viewed and this, but this is more personalized where they are trying to get the recommend the right product to the customer, and then it's basically like depending on the historical data what kind of categories. Rest is the same. I think it's just this functionality, the products a customer may also like, has been added recently. Next is benchmarks. So benchmarks is to grade your performance against your peers. So this is really helpful because most of the brands, we also get that question that what should be the ideal open rate, what should be the ideal unsubscribe rate. Like my only gripe with this is that it's not always possible to keep everything up, because if you send more emails, so unsubscribe rate might increase, or if you have a different kind of email strategy, then the click rate might go down, or so it's very tough to get it right for all the metrics, but still it gives you a base metrics, and you can see that what kind of metrics are working, what kind of metrics are not working. So this has been already been there, like this has been there for last 2 years, but I think now it's already also part of Klaviyo AI, and over here like revenue per recipient and open rate and this, but there is also like unsubscribe rate, spam, and this. So this is against your peers, and it was really cool feature, and very few other email marketing platforms provide this kind of functionality. So Klaviyo has been a pioneer in this, and they have been providing this information, and it helps a lot of brands and a lot of agencies, but nothing new. What I'm trying to say is like this already been there for last 2 years. It's just now because it's a powerful and they are doing a lot of data crunching in the backend, so it's a part of AI, and there's nothing wrong with that. So next is A/B test. So in A/B test, is not about running the A/B test. Running A/B test has been there for long. I think it's more done in the backend, where how to finalize the winner and how to bet on the winners. But what we have seen in our experience, that means that once you choose this, so in over here you can have this open rate, click rate, place order rate. So we've been using this for a long time, and it's the same. I think this kind of how you analyze the winner, or how you pick the winner, has been added under Klaviyo AI umbrella, but it's already been there. It's already always been there. Next, pop-up optimization test. So pop-up optimization test is currently not visible in my account, but what I read about that, it looks really promising. So it's basically the use case is 5 second time delay works better than 10 seconds time delay or 15 second time delay. So you can give Klaviyo a range that I want to start at 5 and I want till 30, and try to find me the sweet spot, and they might find it around 17 seconds or no. So but that's the idea, that you try to find the sweet spot on the time delay. Now to summarize, the functionality custom block and this segment creation is really powerful, and they can really help you, and I have not seen the implementation in other tools. Things which are more like a wrapper on ChatGPT, they are also helpful because they come at the right place at the right time. I think the future of AI in email marketing looks definitely exciting, and with Klaviyo leading the charge, it's coming sooner than later. Thank you.